Namaste everyone, welcome to Sattvic Tidbits. Today we are going to learn about factorials. What are factorials? Factorials just tell us how many ways we can arrange a particular number of objects. So basically, if we take three objects like two markers and a pen, how many ways we can arrange it? Well, we say it by 3 factorial. Well, the question isn't about 3, it's about how many numbers, like n if you take instead of 3. So, a number n factorial will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, so on till you get 3 into 2 into 1. This will be n factorial. Let's take n as, well, 7. 7 factorial. What will it be? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 7 factorial. And the answer is 5040. Now 6 factorial, let's do. 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 720. Now, do you find something relation between these two? If you are careful enough with observations, what you'll find is that 7 factorial is actually 7 into 6 factorial. You see this part? This entire thing is 6 factorial itself, right? So, you can say that by confidence, 7 factorial by 6 factorial equals to 7. Because if you do 5040 by 720, you get 7. 727 is a 5040. Let's, to actually strengthen our hypothesis, let's do for few more. Let us do till 0. 5 factorial. We have written for all 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 factorials. Now, let us see for 6 factorial. This and this are same. So, you can see that 6 factorial is 6 into 5 factorial. So, you can say that 6 factorial by 5 factorial gives 6. So, with this, you can see one rule that n factorial by n minus 1 factorial always gives you n, because in n you have n factorial and those two gets cancelled. Now, here we have written till 1. Since 1 into anything is 1, you get 1 factorial is 1. Now you may ask, can't we go lower? Can't we do 0 factorial? Well, most people would say it's 0, but then the answer is surprisingly 1. Why is it 1? Because let's take a look at it. It actually has a pattern, the factorials. The pattern is, this is 8 factorial by 8. 7 factorial by 7. Now, 6 factorial is 5040 by 720, because we know that 720 into 7 is 5040. We can write like this. So if you go that, the pattern will be that, and this thing will also be 1 factorial by 1. What is 1 factorial? Well, it's basically 1, right? So 1 factorial by 1, which is 1. So 0 factorial is 1. You may say, if we need to complete the pattern, why can't we go like even below, like negative numbers? Let us just see for negative numbers also. Now, let's take a negative number, negative 1. Negative 1 factorial, according to our pattern, is 0 factorial by 0, which is 1 by 0. And 1 by 0 is not defined. So, we can't do for negative numbers. And you may say, okay, so it won't be for negative numbers. Why can't you use fractions? Like 1 by 2. 1 by 2 factorial is how much? Actually, this can't be computed. Because if we even keep fractions, then you can do like 1 factorial and then you go to 2 factorial. Between that, you can say there is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, No. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, even root 2 is there. Root 2 is an irrational. Now, if we need to calculate for all, we'll get an infinite number of possible answers for each decimal, fraction, irrational, transcendental number that exist between two numbers. So we can't actually compute the entire thing. So we actually limited the factorials to whole numbers. So that's why we can't compute for negative numbers. We can't compute for any other type of numbers except whole numbers. So that's how factorials work. Thank you everybody for watching.